Hello guys, thank you for watching 101 Tool Basics. Today we want to talk about screwdrivers and how to use them correctly. I have a couple styles here that I want to show you guys how to use. This is of course the Phillips. It's got kind of a forehead, and this one is the flathead screwdriver, and I'll show you really the proper way to use this. I've worked around a lot of people that are sometimes inexperienced in tool usage, and you can see that sometimes they are struggling, or sometimes they're destroying the actual tool itself. And so one mistake a lot of people make when using a Phillips screwdriver is not seating the screwdriver in there properly. You will see them maybe bend the screwdriver over this way or this way and try to screw it in, and really all it does is it destroys the tip end of your screwdriver because it's not getting a full grip on the screw. Now, and sometimes it takes a little bit of pressure when you have to press down into the screw to get a real good grip on the screw head. And if the screw head is in good shape, then you shouldn't have any problem screwing it in. I also want to show you the tip of a wore out screwdriver. See how the ends of this are really kind of wore off. There's not a lot of gripping power to this screwdriver, and this is not the one I'm using. That one is a Craftsman screwdriver, which you can actually take back. Craftsman screwdrivers have a lifetime warranty, and you can get it replaced. So anyway, with a good screwdriver, and this one has not been used very much, so I'll show you the tip of the head on this one. It has had very little use. It's got a little bit of wear on it, and anytime you get out of a straight into it motion, you can start to damage the end of your screwdriver. And if I pressed any harder, I'd be messing the end of this screwdriver up as well. And notice it even tries to pop out and slip. And so if you go straight in, and I'm going to zoom out a little bit and give you another technique when using a screwdriver. Sometimes you just need to apply both hands to it when it's really tight and just give it a crank like I'm doing here. Or if you need to tighten it, keep a downward pressure on it and do like this, and the whole time keeping it straight in line with the screw head. Don't go over to the side, because then you'll start slipping. And that's the main basics of using a Phillips head screwdriver. There's also smaller ones if you're in a tight space and you don't have as much room to work. This is a very good option to that. Now I'm going to move on to the flathead screwdriver, which is this style right here. Again, you'll want to check the end of your screwdriver to see if it is wore out. Notice I started out, it was to the side. You want it to be fully on the center of it to give you the best grip possible. And so again, you will make sure you have your screwdriver lined up as straight as with the screw as possible. If you lean it over, of course it's going to slip out. If you tilt it this way, of course you're not getting the full grip of the head of the tool. And so these are my least favorite type of screws because they are hard to keep from stripping out or damaging your screwdriver with. So I really prefer, and with this particular screw head, it gives you the option of using a Phillips or a flathead. I still, myself, I do not like using flatheads. Sometimes you can't get past it because, like light switch plates, lots of times all they have is the flathead screw. So anyway, that's how you keep from destroying your screwdriver, and actually you keep from destroying the head of your screw if you position the screwdriver directly into it and not wavering back and forth. Here's an example of a flathead screwdriver that has a worn head on it. You see how the tip of this is rounded, and even the end of it is almost rounded and not flat like the other one that I showed you. Okay guys, so that was the quick video of just screwdriver usage And won't you guys tell me what you think? I mean, does this help you in any way? I know some people just nobody's ever told them how to use it, or they haven't had a father figure in their life that helped them out, and that's just really the reason that I want to do this is just to help people when they get out in the workforce, they can have confidence in what they're doing. Thank you guys for watching.